Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can book cheap flights from Australia. So one of the trusted websites is Skyscanner. As you can see that over here you can choose from, you can select, let's say you wanna go from Cooktown, you could select that even. Two is the place where you can go or you want to go, and if it's a return then you have to put in the departure date, which is the date you'll be leaving, and return is the day you'll be coming back. But let's say it's one way, so you just want to click on one way over here. And then travelers is the amount of adults you have and if you have any children. And then cabin class, whether you want to go economy, premium economy, but if you're really going for the cheapest option, then economy is the right answer. And then what you want to do is click on search. Now as you can see, they are showing you all the available options, like to London, Manchester, things like that. So just select the one that you find the cheapest and best for you, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.